We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone speaker sound too low or not loud enough. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The iPhone speaker sound being too low can be a really annoying problem, as perhaps trying to go and play some music, watch a video, or play some other audio and you're just finding that it is not loud enough. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and increase it, as you may be finding that it's lower than it should be or what you've had before. So we've got some things we can try. To get started, go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. So if you're finding this happening for incoming calls, that ringing sound and notifications, what you can do is you can go down and find sounds and haptics. At the top here, you want to go and find ringtone and alerts, and you can try increasing this all the way up like so to increase the ringer. If you're finding that is that what isn't loud enough, go and see if that solves it. If you're finding that it's in general speaker, like playing music and things like that, then what you can do is you can go and scroll down, and in here you want to go and find reduce loud sounds. Make sure that is turned off. Otherwise, that's going to go and reduce certain sound loudness. Next, you want to come into volume limit and built-in speaker, and you want to make sure limit max volume is turned off. This often is going to be the main reason why it isn't loud enough. So try turning that off, and now you can try playing music, and it should now be a lot louder. If you're finding that it still isn't loud enough, what you can try doing is performing a forced restart, pressing the volume increase button, decrease, and tapping and holding the side power button. It will go black, only release when you see the Apple icon. When it comes back on, see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, you can try doing a reset. So open up your settings, press general, scroll down, and you can press transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings by pressing reset, and then reset all settings, and hopefully that'll go and solve the problem.